Okay, so look at this old crusty and dusty Nutella container. Right now I am wasting it, wasting all of its potential, but today I'm going to be customizing it for every single letter, with a character for movies or animation. So let's see. To actually do this drawing, I'm going to use these Amazon Basics markers because they were the cheapest ones, honestly. Let's start with the letter A, for which I'm going to draw Aladdin. This wasn't that difficult because it was very simple forms, because I took inspiration from the animated series and not the movie. Then for the Lego movie guy, for the LL, also very easy, except for taking the eye proportions right, which I did correct later. Then for the T, I'm going to draw a Transformers logo. I'm not going to draw the characters because I saw some pictures and those were very difficult for the little space I had left. The left eyebrow took me a very long time to actually get right. Then for the U, I drew Ursula from The Little Mermaid. The character has very simple and symmetric forms, but it took a lot of time to draw because of the proportions, which I still think I didn't get right, because head face is supposed to be a lot smaller. Not many people know this character, but Emerald from Steven Universe, which is from the last episode, The Last in Space. This also was very difficult to draw because of its very detailed appearance, but I switched the colors from the line art and the filling, so it looked like. But if I actually used the darker green on the outside, it probably would have turned out much better. And for the last one, the N, I drew Nemo from Finding Nemo, I guess. And yeah, this was pretty easy, but I ruined it in the end by drawing the black line way too close to her face, to his face, her face. I don't remember if it is a male. Let's now go to spray painting it so that when I sit on it or the sun hits it, it doesn't get ruined. This was very fun doing this, and now, like, think about it, now this is permanently in my home now. Like, I can look at it whenever and feel better about myself, or worse in a few years, because I will become better at drawing. And also it was fun experimenting with different mediums and different things that you usually don't work with. So yeah, this was very fun and definitely better than the bottle one. And if you liked it too, then subscribe, because I am running very low on subscribers, and yeah, I just started out, I don't know what I'm doing, but subscribe.